I didn't plan to build a fan base. I didn't think people would care that much about my dog, but they didn't just care. They connected. And not just because he's cute, but because he's a Saint Bernard. This isn't about people who love dogs in general. It's about people who love a specific kind of dog. People who grew up with a golden retriever, they stop when they see one. Someone who had a Doberman, they'll always feel Doberman videos. And if someone had a Saint Bernard once, they're gonna recognize mine instantly, even if he's just sitting on a bench. A lot of people who watch my content, they don't even own a dog anymore. Some of them are older. Some live in places where they can't have pets. But they had a Saint Bernard once, and when they watch mine, even doing nothing at all, it brings something back for them. Even the quiet moments, even the ones I almost didn't post. To me, they felt boring. To someone else, that's their favorite kind of video. And that's what I want more creators to understand. You don't need flashy content. You don't need to go viral. You need content that connects with the right people. If you've ever filmed your dog and thought, this probably isn't worth posting, you might be wrong, because someone out there is searching for that breed. Someone misses that personality. Someone just wants to see a version of their own dog one more time, even if it's just 10 seconds of yours snoring on the floor. So if you're wondering, why would anyone care about this? The answer might be because they miss their dog, or they still love that breed, or they've never had one, but dream of it every day. Don't delete the boring stuff. Don't overthink it. And if you want proof this works, scroll my channel. You'll see exactly what I mean. Thanks for watching.